I'm going to solve the linear equation by elimination method. So the three linear equations there in the terms of x, y, z. So we take as a matrix A, comma B. So A represents the coefficient of x, y, z. B represents the constant term after the equal. So with the help of the linear equation, frame the matrix A and B. In matrix A, write all the coefficient of x, y, z. So 2, 4, 6 and constant term value is 22. Like that, write the coefficient of x is 3, 8, 5. So 3, 8, 5 and 27. Now your coefficient of x is minus 1, 1 and 2 and 2. Is write the matrix the form of the given three linear equation. In Cauchy elimination method, first you try to bring the first row, first column, the value is 1. We can exchange the row. For example, exchange the row and multiply by minus 1. Able to get 1 in the first row, first column. Otherwise, in this sum, all the first row values are 2. So, even number. So, better divided by 2, able to get 1 will come this place. Sometimes it's not possible to bring 1 here. So, without 1 also, you can able to continue the sum to solve the linear elimination method. If you have chances there to bring 1 here, it's help to easy to solve the sum. Otherwise, no problem, we'll continue with the same number. But in R1, here I am going to take R1 divided by 2 because 2 divided by 2, 1 will come. So R1 divided by 2. So what will come here? 1 and 2 2s are 4. So 4 divided by 2, 2 will come. 3 2s are 6 and 11 times. And remaining R2, R3 no change. 5, 8, 5, 27, minus 1, 1, 2, 2. So you can write here R2 and R3 is no change. Only R1 divided by 2. So R1 divided by 2. Next, after you bring the 1, with the help of R1, you can try to make the 0 in the first column. So with the help of R1, bring the 0 in the first column. To bring the echelon form. So here R1 no change. Now what I am going to do R2. R2, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. If 1 is there, easy to multiply. For that purpose, I bring here 1. So without 1 also, you can able to bring the 0 in the first column. So here what I am going to write. Here 3, here 1 is there. So 3 multiply with the R1, then minus R2. Now take 3 multiply entire R1. We do the rough column also, no problem. 1 into 3, 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 11 3s are 33. So in R1 multiply by 3. Then minus R2. So R2 multiply by minus 1. So minus 3, minus 8, minus 5, minus 27. Now plus 3 minus 3 become 0. Here minus 2, 4. Here 6 will come. Then take this value. Write as a first row no change. Write as such a first row 2, 3 and 11. In second row write these values. 0, minus 2, 4, 6. Like that. Now R3. Here minus 1 is there. Here plus 1 is there. So directly you can add R1 plus R3. So R1 value write as such 1, 2, 3, 11. Here minus 1, 1, 2, 2. So different symbol. 0 will come. Here 3, 5, 13. So 0, 3, 5, 13. Now leave the R1. Now we are going to take the R2. So with the help of R2, entire column you are going to make a 0. So with the help of R2, try to make a 0 here only. Don't use R1. If you use R1, what will happen? Already you change a 0, again become a number will come in these two places. So don't use R1. Use R1 to change the, bring the 0 in the first column. Use R2 to bring the 0 in the second column. Now R1, R2 no change. So write as such 1, 2, 3, 11, 0, minus 2, 4 and 6 and 0. Now we are going to bring the changes in R3. If we need 0 here, but here minus 2, here 3. So 3 multiply with R2, 2 multiply with R3. So 2 multiply with R2 and 3 multiply with R2, 2 multiply with R3. So take 3 multiply R2, this is R2. So 0 into 3 it became a 0 will come. Then minus 2 into 3 minus 6. 2 into 4 8. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. 4 into 3 12. Then 3 6 are 18. Now we multiply with 2 with R3. 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 13s are 26. Now different symbol 0 will come. Here 22, 18 plus 26, it became a 44. Then write the values R3, 0, 22, 44. Now it is a echelon form. What is echelon form? The number of 0 in the last row should be more than the previous row. Otherwise, if we take the row 2 have a 1 0, then row 3 should has more than the 1 0. Suppose if 2 0, a 3 0 will come. Sometimes entire row becomes 0, it's not a matter. But otherwise, we have to compare a 0 with the 2 row. The third row should be more than the second row. Like that brings means that is a echelon form. Now we are able to find the linear equation. Take the first row is a coefficient of x, y, z is a constant term. So you can write like that. You can write that with the help of this matrix. So 1 into x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 11. Then multiply second row, x term is 0, so leave the x term. So we have minus 2y and 4z equal to 6. Take the third term, 22z, because x term, y term 0, equal to 44. Then z equal to 44 by 22, it equal to 2. So we know the value z, value 2, substitute here. So minus 2y plus here 4z is there, it became 8 equal to 6. Then minus 2y equal to 6 minus 8. Minus 2y equal to minus 2, y equal to 1. So we know the value of x, z and y value. Substitute in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 2, z equal to 2, 6 equal to 11. Then x equal to 11 minus 8, x equal to 3. So the value of x comma y comma z equal to, so we have 3 comma x value, y value is 1, z value is 2. This is a solution for the given linear equation. This is a way to find the value for linear equation elimination method, Cauchy elimination method.